Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tony, and in this video I'm going to show you around Mirror Lake in North Woodstock, New Hampshire. This lake's a small lake and it's pretty cool, so I'll show you around the lake a little bit. And there is some pretty good fish in here. I'm not sure what fish are in the lake, but I've had a mask on it here, and there's some huge ones. It's pretty crazy, the amount of some fish. In fact, I showed my son the size of one of the fish, and he immediately swam for shore. This is a really small lake, but it's pretty cool. On the other side of the lake, there's a rock over here that you can jump off of and sunbathe on and go swimming. And directly across from the rock, there's a big nest. There used to be a bald eagle up in the tree. He's been here for the last couple of years. I've seen him a couple times this year too. There's also like a dock you can jump off of that the town puts out. And there's a couple of good beach areas, and there's like a porta potty out there and everything. It doesn't cost anything to come here, and the lake's pretty clean. It's usually warm because it's a small lake. You can go paddleboarding and kayaking, all kinds of stuff on this lake. Hey Colin, say hi! And there's like a dock to jump off of over there. Good, Shannon, go get it. Go get it, Shannon. She's having a ball. Go get it, Shannon. Don't go too far. Good job, Shannon.